So when a HUD consultant comes into place, the way that gets established is there's a form that's included in the initial renovation forms labeled how to choose a HUD consultant in your area. And on that form, there is a link for you to go that'll direct you to HUD's website where you can enter in your city, your state, zip code, and from there it should populate a list of HUD consultants. If you're in an area where it's not close, I guess you could say, to major cities, I recommend looking up the major city closest to you if you can't, if none are popping up in your selection. The HUD consultant is a representative of HUD. They make sure that all work is done according to HUD guidelines and in a workmanlike manner. As far as their role in the project, the one thing that's important is they are not your mediator between you and the contractor. They're just there to inspect the work that's taking place, putting together the necessary draw documentation that the client, the HUD consultant, the contractor will sign off on, which will then get submitted to Matt's team. There are some HUD consultants that do require their initial fee up front when they go out to do the initial inspection. You are able to be reimbursed back the fee that you do have to pay up front. Just keep in mind that you will not see the credit on your closing disclosure. It'll just decrease your cash to close by the amount you paid initially. Some do require the fee up front, some don't. So it's just all dependent on the consultant.
The HUD consultant, once the loan is funded, is in charge of overseeing the project. They are in charge of making sure the work is completed in a timely fashion, and the work that they're authorizing to release is in fact 100% complete or complete to the percentage they are indicating. The HUD consultant will produce documentation supporting what they are going to release, along with photo representation of the work being completed. That draw request will then be submitted to the contractor and the consultant, or to the borrower, to sign, authorizing that release of funds. That will then be submitted to the renovation disbursement team for processing, and we will release funds based off the documentation provided to us.